Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I kind of opened it a little bit because it was just in the shipping package here, but this is like heat shrink, some sort of fabric-y stuff that'll go around wires and all, and it looks like it comes with, we have two rolls here, I guess the thick stuff and some thin stuff, although this one here's a thin one too. I don't know what we got a few rolls. Okay, so here's a thin one. Is that the same? Yeah, oh no, this is thinner. This is a little thicker. This is a little thicker, and this is the thickest, so this is really big. So this one here, if you had some big, huge wires, you could feed them through there, and then you put the heat gun on to do it. So, and then if we wanted to like just put these little wires together, we could just use like this little one here. So we're gonna give this thing a try, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're just gonna cut a piece of this off. It's a two-person job, and we're just gonna pretend here we're going to put this wire through here. We have a 3-pin wire and a 2-wire. We're just going to put these through and pretend like they were connected together somehow in there, and let's heat it up and see what happens. So we have a heat gun over here, and there we go. So heat it up, see what happens. Is it doing anything? Oh, it is. Hey, look at that. Oh man, this might be my new favorite stuff. Look at how good this is doing. Can y'all see it? It's just melting it right up there. And look at that, and it ends up nice and tight on it. So now we have a very good connection. Actually, yeah, now I'm not going to be able to get these two wires apart. We're going to have to cut them apart. But look at that, how cool is that? So it just melts it right on there, so it makes this fabric stuff into a very hard plastic, still somewhat flexible connection. So this is awesome, thumbs up.